Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, today I will be showing you guys how to make aloe vera ice cubes for your face. And you guys, I am obsessed with this mask. But before we jump into this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time I post a new video. But yes, like I was saying, this mask is so amazing and you're really going to want to try it out, especially if you have problematic or sensitive skin. It's going to just really clear up your skin. I got rid of a pimple within 1 week. It's very cooling, hydrating, and calming. Honestly, it's just amazing, and you only need one ingredient, which is the aloe vera leaf. So basically, I'm using my favorite ingredient for my face, which is aloe vera, and I'm combining it with a method that I really enjoy, which is icing. If you haven't checked out my previous video of me icing my face for a week, go ahead and check it out. I will insert that video somewhere on the screen and in the description box below. But you guys, these two combined together, it's just magic. Quick disclaimer, you guys, I filmed this intro many times on many different occasions, okay? So the footage you're gonna see is all within the same time frame, but the intro is different now because I have braids, hashtag black girl magic. But yeah, I look a little different in the introduction, but the results were amazing. But without further ado, let's just hop on into this video now, shall we? Alrighty, so the first thing we want to do is make sure that our aloe vera leaf is properly cleaned and ready for us to apply to our face. If you have not yet watched my previous video on how I remove the latex, aka the poison that can be found in the aloe vera leaf, go ahead and click that video and then come right back to this one. Now that our leaf is cleaned and there is no yellow sap detected, we can go ahead and slice this up in preparation for our aloe vera ice cubes. Now in this video, I cut it up into thick slices because I'm just used to that. I usually save pieces of my aloe vera leaf, so you can do this if you want to portion it out, use half of it for a hair mask and the other half for your ice cubes. It's really up to you, or you can just cut both of the ends and then just take 1 spoon and scoop out all the gel that way. So whichever works best for you. So as I'm editing, I realized that I was a bit extra for this step, and I used a separate container to scoop out my gel, but you can just go ahead and scoop this into your blender. Again, whatever floats your boat. But I am taking those slices, cutting them in half, and then scooping out the aloe vera gel into my container. As you can see, once you scoop out all of the gel, you may see some chunks such as this, so that is why we're going to give it a good little mix in our blender. Alrighty, so I'll be taking my Magic Bullet blender and mixing it all up. Again, this is my personal preference to use a mini blender because I don't have that much product to blend. But again, whatever you have handy, use that. You just need a good old blender to mix this all up and get rid of the thick chunks of the gel. So you want to give this a really good mix. I put this on high speed and just made sure that there were no chunks whatsoever. Once you are finished blending, you should see some foam that just rises to the top, such as this right here where I'm pointing. So you just want this to sit for a little bit. About 10 to 15 minutes will do, and then once it's gone, you will just take your ice tray and pour your mixture into it. I found this ice tray from my local dollar store, and I think it's perfect because it's not wasting too much product. It's honestly the perfect amount for your face, but again, use whatever you have on hand. Then you're gonna go ahead and pop these in the freezer for a few hours, and once they're all frozen, you are good to go. Again, I was obsessed with these mini ice cubes. It was just the perfect amount for my face. I don't know what I was thinking holding this ice cube with my hand, but I went ahead and got a paper towel. Yeah, there you go, thinking smart. But as you can see, you guys, I had this huge pimple in the middle of my forehead. Like, the audacity of this pimple. I was just tired of seeing it, okay? So of course I had to reach for my good old aloe vera leaf. It never fails me. It gets my skin looking right every single time. Now, this is not necessarily a aloe vera challenge video. If you want to see my aloe vera challenge video, I'll link it above and in the description box below. But you guys, when I say this pimple was gone within a few days, it was gone. 1 week is all it takes and it was gone. I was so excited. It makes me shook every single time. So essentially this is the aloe vera mask that I do quite a bit when my skin is very problematic because it's just melting and you will have the aloe vera sitting. I usually do it for 15 to 20 minutes. But I just loved how cooling this was. So if you live in warm climates, you know, experiencing the summer weather that we're having right now, or you have very sensitive skin and you just want that extra cooling effect, I highly recommend using this aloe vera ice cube. This is also really great if you're dealing with sunburns, so definitely recommend that. As you can see, my skin, you guys, the glow alone is worth it. But my skin was so smooth and clear, my pimple was gone. I did experience some discoloration. My skin is super sensitive and I think I was a bit aggressive with my cleansing process, so that's on me. Okay, that's totally on me. But overall, I was just super pleased with my results. Within a week, my skin felt very hydrated, super plumpy, it had a glow, and my pimple was gone. And the more you use this on your skin, the more it can help with discoloration. So just keep using it. I just love this plant. I can't stop raving about it. Alright you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. But before we end this video, I want to ask you guys a quick question. What do you think you prefer? Just slicing up this aloe vera and slathering the gel on your face, or having it in an ice cube version? Which one floats your boat? Let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't seen me again transforming my skin every single time using the aloe vera leaf alone, go ahead and click those videos. I will insert it above as well. I have an entire aloe vera playlist here on my channel if you guys want to see the amazing benefits and how to properly clean the aloe vera leaf before you use it. I will have all that information above and in the description box below, but I highly recommend this mask, especially if you are suffering right now with the summer heat. It's just really hot, you know, so this ice cube is just chef's kiss. So make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and share it with a friend. Save a friend. It's amazing, it's affordable, it's natural, and you see results very quickly. So yeah, I will see you guys very soon in my next video.